Hey guys, in this video I will show you the step by step on how to use the Proversion settings. Now first off, we're going to log into your WordPress dashboard, and once you're in, you're going to the WordPress Convert Max theme option panel. Let's scroll down a little bit, and here is the theme option panel here, and let's try to check the Pro version. As you can see here, I have already activated my Pro version because once you click the Pro version, you have to give your license code. You enter your license code key on the box, and you have to hit Save Changes. And once it's saved, you can now enter F5 or refresh your dashboard page. So once it's refreshed, then this will be appeared. And you can hide or show the Pro option version. So this is the disabled area, and we want to click enabled here in order to show the Pro option settings. So we click enabled, and here we go. This is the Pro settings. Now we can get access to more features such as more slider options and more setting options. So first is we're going to the slider type, and we can choose the 6 slider types. And if you click this arrow down, this is the first slider type. The image plus discount box is the default slider layout, which you already got when you buy the original WordPress Convert Max. Now let's visit our site, and let's see what is the image plus discount box. So this is the image and discount box looks like. So this is the image slider here, and this is the discount box looks like. So now we're going back into the settings, and let's try to use the image plus form. So we make sure that we also tick the correct options after we choose the slider types, so we can expand the options for the particular type we choose. So image plus form, we will check the checkbox here. Let's try to uncheck this one first. Now we can set the form text title, the form paragraph text, and also the form shortcode. So I'll just set it up there, and once you set it up all, then you can now save changes. And let's try to go back to our site and hit refresh. Let's try to look the image plus form. So this is it. This is the image slider, and this is the form. We set it up the form text title, we set it up the form paragraph text, and also the form here. Now going back into the slider settings, let's try to uncheck this first, and let's going back into the third slider type, which is the image plus paragraph plus city. So our correct corresponding of that slider type would be the slider paragraph checkbox here. So here we have the options, which we can also put our paragraph text title here, our paragraph text, and also the button text here. Now I set it up the paragraph text title, also the paragraph text, and the button text there. And we can also choose between these two. We can choose the direct URL link for the button text that we use here, and we can also use to the step 1 and step 2 based on the settings below. So first we're going to use this direct link. So once you've clicked the button text or the call to actions that you put there, you have to enter your URL for the button for the paragraph area beside the sliders. So for example, my button text URL would be the google.com. So that is my example only. So once it's done, then we can now hit save changes, and let's go to our website and hit refresh. and this is the image plus form, plus paragraph plus city. So here is the image slider, the paragraph text title, the paragraph text, and the button text here. So once we're going to click this one, we will direct into the URL that we set it up. So here. Now we're going back into home, and let's going back into the settings, and let's choose this two-step opt-in for the button text. Let's just uncheck this one and check this. So here we have the two steps for the read more button or the button text. We can, this is the second stage or the pop-up after you click the button. So here we can choose the content types, which is the article or the form. So first we're going to choose article here, and we make sure that we also tick the correct options for the particular content type we choose. So article would be the article checkbox here. Let's check that one, and let's try to set up the expanded options here. So we can set the title text, the paragraph text, and also we can upload image here. So once it's uploaded, then we can once it's uploaded, just click upload and just choose your picture in your media library there, and this is my picture, like for example, and then I hit select, and then that's it, it's uploaded. And you can also hide and show the read more button or on the step 2 that we used. So if we're not going to put a read more text or continue reading there, let's try to disable this one. If we want or we have more paragraph that our customers or client needs to read more, then we can put a read more button text there. So we will just put in we'll just click enable here, and we will just write the read more text here. So I'll just, for example, I put read more text, and we can also set the hyperlink for the read more text there. So my example is the google.com URL link, and once it's all set it up, then we can now save changes. Let's go to the site and hit refresh, and let's try to click this button text here. Then boom, this is it that we use for the step 2, which is the title, the paragraph text, and the image that we uploaded, and also the read more text here. If we're going to click this read more text, then it will direct into the link that we set it up also. So going back into home and going back into the settings here, let's try to uncheck this article, and let's use the content type, which is the form, and let's check the form checkbox here. Now in the form checkbox, we can put here a video embed code, or we can also put a form short code here. So my example, I'll just put my video embed code here, and when I hit save changes, and let's go to the website and hit refresh, then let's click this button area here, and that's it. That's the video embed code that we set it up. Now going back into the settings here, and let's uncheck this one, and let's go to the next slider type here, the video plus discount box, and we know already what's the corresponded options there. So we will check the small box here, the slider video checkbox. Here you can set the video short code, so we can enter here the video short code only. So we make sure you include the video size there. So I'll just grab my video code. Here is my video code. Now we're going to set our video code, so we make sure we also include the sizes of the width and the height of the video. So just like, for example, this is my video embed code, so I'll hit save changes, and now we're going to the site and hit refresh, and this is it. This is the video plus discount box. Now going back into the settings here, and let's try to use the video plus form here. So we will have to check this checkbox also, and we're not going to put a form there because we have already put our form code already. So here, remember the first slider form check back here, and we will put the short code form there here. Okay, so we will just uncheck that one, and then we will now check this slider video, and let's just put it there and leave it at, and let's save changes. Now let's go to the website and hit refresh, and this is it. This is the video plus form. Now going back into the website, and let's try to use the video plus paragraph plus city A. So here we're going to check our box here, the slider paragraph, and also the video. So let's try to save changes. Now let's try to check the site and hit refresh there, and that's it. This is the video, this is the paragraph, and also the city A. If we click that one, we can also set this one. So that's it, and I will show you the city A for the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't hesitate to contact us via support desk if you have any questions. We will be more happy to assist you and help you along the way. Thank you. Bye-bye.